Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the image and duplicating the background. This keeps the original safe. Once done, convert the duplicate to a smart object so you can adjust blur later without destroying pixels. Next, make a clean selection of the subject using Select Subject or the Pen tool. This defines what stays sharp. You want a precise mask because the quality of your bokeh depends on how well foreground and subject separation is handled. Make sure to refine edges if hair or transparency is involved. Now you apply the blur. Choose Blur Gallery and pick Field or Iris Blur for more control. Drag pins to set focal plane and increase blur amount until background separation looks natural. Simultaneously raise bokeh light or brightness to simulate lens highlights. Once you see how much the subject should stay sharp, invert and refine the smart object mask. Paint with a soft brush at 0. 5 to 5 px flow to soften edges. This step controls how the blur blends with the subject, so take your time. To finish, match the blur to the photo. Add a subtle 1 to 3% noise to the blurred layer so it reads like original film grain, and use levels or curves on that layer to adjust contrast and color temperature. Make sure depth cues read correctly. Darker, less saturated farther back, brighter near highlights. If you see haloing or fringing at edges, you select and mask or smear the mask by 1 to 2 pixels, then reapply a tiny feather. That fixes hard edges and keeps the bokeh believable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.